What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the easy balloon dog. Alright guys, welcome to the School of Balloons. My name is Joey and I'm so glad that you're here. So we're all about teaching you how to start and grow a profitable balloon twisting business. And like I said, in this video we're going to be doing an easy tutorial, and that's how to do the easy balloon dog. So if you are enjoying videos like this and you want more great content on how to do balloon animals and also how to do it as a business and make money, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it because we really want to put out content for you guys, videos, blogs, all that kind of good stuff that is going to help you, the balloon twister, to have the support you need and the accountability and the training. So that's what we're all about here. So let's go ahead and get into that tutorial.
For the simple dog, just use 1-2-60. In this case, I use the black. So blow up the balloon so there is somewhere around 8 fingers lengths left. Alright, so we're going to squeeze a little bit there to start out, and we're going to do about a 2 fingers lengths bubble, about 2 inches. And then do our second bubble a little bit bigger, about 3 fingers lengths. And then we're going to match that third one the exact same size as the second. I'm going to bring those 2 points together there and then just twist it in. So that's going to be the top of the head and ears of the dog. Should look like that. Now squeeze as you go down the balloon and make the neck, which is just a 1-inch bubble. And now you're going to make the legs, which is very similar to the ears. So about 3 fingers lengths, maybe a little bit more. Okay, about 4. And then you're going to squeeze and then twist that next bubble the same exact size and twist those in together, and that creates the 2 front legs. So twist those in and adjust it to where you want. And next you're going to do the main body of the dog. So that one's around 5 inches or so. And then do the same exact process for those back 2 legs that you did for the front ones. Try not to do that though. It happens. Alright, so twist it in there about 4 fingers lengths for that bubble. And then just do the same size. I like to put it next to it and kind of just measure it by eye. And twist it all in. Alright. Just doing a little bit of adjustments, and that is the balloon dog. Good job.
All right, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope that tutorial was helpful for you guys. And if you want more great videos just like this, go ahead and subscribe below. Either way, I'll see you next time.